Hi friends, welcome. Sometime we have a question in our mind or want to do a research on a particular topic. To do that, we have to search tons of volumes of books, periodical journals. We have to talk to our friends and all. Many different sources will collect the information, and also we have to visit so many websites, compile the data, download it, compile, reproduce. Lot of work has to be done for this. Now think of a AI tool which do all the heavy works for you. Say it visit the different sites, compile the informations, download it, prepare a nice table report for you, and it presents to you as a text format or with a tabular data also, a research paper. So this research now subsequently we can transfer also it to a blog post, to a infographics, or even we can create a podcast using the audio outputs and all, and even we can produce the social media post using those contents. All these things we can do by using Gemini's deep research. We'll learn all about this. Gemini, so here it is in Google. Then I click the first link and came to the Google Gemini. I have used 2.5 Flash for this. Now it asks me to enter a prompt. Note that here are two tabs are there, two buttons are there, deep research and canvas. We'll focus more on the deep research because that is what we are going to learn. Canvas is for coding and generating outputs and all. That also in the process we'll see when you go for our blog post. So let me, in fact, before I start deep research, I can chat here like any other AI tool. I can chat also here, ask questions, get answers and all. This is not deep research. Now what I will do is I'll enable the deep research. What I can also do if I have some topic or some document already in my drive or in as a text or any file is there, I can use this plus and upload it. I am not going to do that. I am just entering a prompt here. So how AI can help in financial management? I have not gone in detail. It's a very simple generic topic which I want to use a deep research for that. Let me start with that. So what it will do a initial research and present me the broad areas where it is going to work it. Now you just see it has also given me the 10 research reports you generated 4 more in until June 23. This I will discuss with you. Let us just see this. Now you can see it has given me a research plan. So research websites, what it is going to do. You can see 7-8 points are there. Now if I am fine with this, fine, okay, or otherwise I can add to it. Now let's go to edit plan. So here I am saying focus more on Indian stock market. That's all. So I want this additional point to be included in this, or I can say that use how a data can be useful in the financial management. Whatever you want, you can include that. Now let me just run this. So now it will refine its plan. So this edit plan, it will change it and present me with a refined plan. Now you can see here it has 7 identify AI in Indian financial sector and stock market. Note that 8th point, it has modified a little bit and given the AI in Indian financial sector and its stock market. So that also it has included. Now what I can do is I can start research. I will give this. Now the counter starts. It will take time. It will do all the homework for us, collect the information and do it. Now you can see it is doing. Note that I am using a Google's free account. I am not upgraded. Here the upgrade link is there. Once you upgrade it, in a daily limit will increase to 20 research papers you can generate. Now it gives me over a time span 10 research papers only. It's not specify what time set, but you can see that you have seen that already. It has told me that you have left with 4 research papers because earlier I have some used it. Note that here what websites it is researching and all it is giving me here. So all these things grow. It's how these websites it picks up because Google based on the Google's trust factor and the quality of the site. So that's a different topic. Once we'll discuss in some other tutorial and all. So it gives me initial finding. So key approach in areas identified, AI in Indian stock market. You can strategies. You can see these are all this stuff. It is based on which it is doing its research work, going through all the websites. Now friends, even you can also use similar approach by using ChatGPT also. Okay, fine, some plus minus will be there, but the beauty of this particular tool is how the output you can manage to based on your own requirement. That we will see, and that is at present, that is why Gemini deep research rules over ChatGPT. But I can't say future ChatGPT may come out with many other tools. So that will again we'll explore that also. But right now, because of its different formats, you can get the output. Full mark to this deep research. In fact, for my regular work, I maintain a ChatGPT account. But here it note that in the Gemini where I am using Google, I use a free account, but I have a plan to upgrade also. Based on your requirement, you can upgrade it. Now the research is in progress. You can check the details here. After working for 5 to 10 minutes, it has created the report for me. Here you can see AI in Indian stock market. This is the time it gives, and here is the complete report. This is there, and you can browse through, read. There is a tabular content also. This is in a text it has given. So many tables it has used, and it will also tell you during the process also it has browsed many sites. Those site lists are there, and sources used in this report. You can check this. These are all highly trusted sites, what as per Google with high EEAT. So that is why these sites are picked up for this topic. That's a different subject altogether. We'll discuss it further. Now this text, what I will do with this text, I can just here, I will click this copy to the content. I can copy it and use it my way, or export to docs. Now this is one of the better way, because I have already logged into my Google account. I will click export to doc. So what happens when I am exporting it to document file? What it will do is it will push the entire content as a doc file to my Google Drive, because I have already connected to my Google Drive. In my drive, this is the files what it has created for me. So here you can see, yeah, this file is stored here. A detailed research paper, multiple pages are there, around 12 pages, 14 pages are there already. Let me just check it off. Sorry, it's up 25 pages report totally, including all the tables, tabular data, everything. Let me see whether at the end it is. Yeah, all the sources also it has cited it here. Let me just see the other options. Here is, once I click that one, 4 options are there: web page, infographics, quiz, and audio overview. Let me just go to the web page. It will create a single page blog for me, which I can use it, and I can publish it also if I have a website. Here one beautiful thing is, if I have a template also of my site, I can give that, use this template, and it will give me in that template a beautiful single page blog post it will create for me, which I can directly copy and use it. I have already used it. I will meanwhile let it prepare. I will show you one sample of it. Now here I can AI in Indian finance. Here is the fine. This is the same blog post. Of course, I have given the templates here using this image and all, and footer I have given. Rest everything is created, and this is highly interactive also. I can keep on changing to different sections. I can browse from here, applications, India focus, challenge and ethics. Here I can read more details. It's a collapsible content I can use. This uses all the JavaScript features. The future also, you can read this. So this as a blog post it has created. Now let me just see. Okay, fine. Here is the blog post, which in the source code, and let us go to it is still creating. It takes some time. It is still creating. You can see the end also. It will be adding the codes. It's pure HTML and JavaScript. Fine. It is over. Now it has gone to preview mode to show me what it is. So here is the preview mode. You can see the entirely source code. You can copy it, use it in your website or anywhere you want. So lot of tables, data, all this it has created. Wow, beautiful it has come. So fine. Now this is one aspect of it. Now let me just one more thing I will see now. Let me come back to my research. Where is my edit the research plan? Fine. Let me come back. Now you have seen already that how the, yes, this is my text again. I have come back. Now let's export it to I can create a infographics or an audio overview. Now let's click the audio overview. Now once a audio overview, it gives me a podcast here, but I will recommend that better you use NotebookLM of Google, though it uses the same voice and all. That has more power in fact. So what is NotebookLM, how it can be used, we have already discussed that. I will just request you to follow the previous tutorials, whatever NotebookLM. There are several tutorials we have already uploaded, so you can see that link. I will leave it in the description. You can watch that. Now you see it's generating audio overview. Now in the NotebookLM, if you use the drive what you have sourced that as a source, so you can use that. Fine, it will give me a link or a audio overview. You can listen to that. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we can see the previously whatever. Yes, this is the what I have previously I have created. You can see the our blog post. It took nearly 5 minutes to generate this audio overview or the podcast for me. Let me just try once.
Okay, let's dive in. AI is, well, it's changing pretty much everything at an incredible pace.
It really is. And its impact on money, on markets,
Yeah.
it's particularly dramatic.
Absolutely.
That's podcast. So while this generates, you can leave this particular page and do some other work and do come back again after some time. Let's say 5 to 10 minutes it takes. You can also download this podcast and or share the conversation, download and upload it to some other platform. You can use that. Now let's come back here again. We'll see the other options. You can create a quiz also using this. It will keep on your testing the quiz and all. Here is the quiz. You can try. Some 10 questions are there. You can try or move to the next. Leave it to you to try it. Now let's back again to our report. Where you are, you can see this Indian stock market. Okay, fine. Let's load the report again. This is the preview. I will close this. I don't want. Already we have discussed this. Then open. Complete research. Now here is the research paper what we have initially used. Now this create, we have seen this. Now the infographics. Let's create a infographics. These are the outputs which is exclusive to Gemini. What it gives in the deep research is something is for why it is so popular. And I have a plan to upgrade it also, because this I feel there are right now I am just trying to understand and learn the things. So I have a very free account, but here is you can upgrade it along with 20 reports in a day. Many other benefits also you will get. Time the infographics is generated. Here it is. You can see the code part. If you want to use in your case, it is there. Then the preview is here. You can see this. These are all the graphics it has generated. So which you can use it separately also. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and enjoyed these tutorials. And if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And we'll continue our journey in learning all other AI tools also. We have included many already we have discussed. And we'll also continue with ChatGPT, Perplexity and other tools also. How we can use these tools in our day-to-day life, in our profession. Please, my request is subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.